This is the exclusive debut of the 2026 Paradigm, and I cannot wait to show you. We're gonna check out the bathroom and the bedroom first. Let's go up the stairs.
Got my hopes up and everything.
Best for last. Come on to the bathroom where we have a drop-down shower, which gives you plenty of head space. We have these shower heads right here and a wand if you wanted to. And look at these jets. They have that for you so you can wash your body.
I want to wash my body.
Shampoo, shelving all around, a bench to chill out. All of this generous vanity space. Put our trash can in there. Drawers here, 1, 2, and 3. Notice the colors. I love this gray.
Yeah, they've really been, they're making this new lighter color, which is really cool.
Yes, I'm on board.
Moving away from dark.
Light and airy, right? All right, we have this medicine cabinet. And notice we have plenty of space in here. It is backlit. So that has like a little halo around. Toilet, plenty of leg space.
That's a lot of space, yo.
As well as this. Right here, you could put your towels, toilet paper.
That is the deepest storage I've ever seen in my life.
It goes deep. Then we have a pocket door for privacy, of course. Let's go into the bedroom. We have a beautiful king-size bed here. We have outlets on either side, USB ports on either side. You can put a CPAP machine here.
Very convenient because they're actually literally right on the side.
They're right there on the side for you. Easy access. Nice headboard with windows all around. Notice the valances, they are white.
That's actually really pretty. What color are these?
Like they're off-white. The lights,
Ooh,
so you can do a blue light if you want, or you can do a white light if you want.
That is really nifty. That is really cool.
Right above your head. So kind of like an airplane experience, just like click on, click off. You don't have to bother your partner. Okay, we are gonna see what's under here. We have storage, look at that. We can put bins in here, things we're not using often, as well as this closet. And I see that they have added some kind of design to the doors. We have drawers here, put your jeans, your shirts, t-shirts.
They've really redone this. They actually added a lot of shelving, which is very convenient. Shelving is nice, and outlet, guys, in case you wanted to put a coffee machine.
Yes, look at that space there. You can put your handbags.
Or an espresso machine.
Really, just wake up and just basically go to the closet.
I mean, crock pots take 8 hours. What if you need a midnight snack?
Well, we have this additional closet space that is prepped for your washer dryer.
Yeah, I can't be washing clothes.
Oh, look at this. They've added a little extra closet space on the side here.
Oh, that's kind of nice. I'd probably put like quarters and stuff in there.
You
gotta put something up there.
Yes, you have stuff, like more valuable stuff. We have an LCD TV.
LED. Big difference, bro.
I did not read that right.
What are we here, 2010?
So we have a TV up here, a window, hidden storage. Oh, I don't drop this. Holy.
That's a perfect place to hide your cash.
This is where you hide your cash. There you go.
Thank you, Alliance.
All right, we're gonna put this back right here. And then drawers on either side. Beautiful.
And a place for shoes. I love it.
Yes, you can put your shoes under there and stow them away. Of course, this one has a privacy if you want a door to close. We're gonna check out the more exciting
parts.
Backwards.
I'm gonna have to surprise you. We'll show you the basics first.
Over here, we have a coffee nook for all of our easy access.
Now, some of you guys don't like the modern touchscreen. This is old school buttons, guys. A lot of people actually prefer old school buttons because they want to feel like they're clicking something. Alliance cares about you guys.
Absolutely.
So what if the electricity's out? Or the screen breaks? Old school buttons.
Old school buttons, it's the way to go. We have this counter space here, open shelving. Look at this backlit wall here. Isn't that beautiful? Put some plants up here, put maybe a cookbook or something for easy access. Nice large drawer here and storage underneath. We're gonna go into this pantry right here. Look how beautiful that is. Boom, nice and lit.
Sorry, put my Oreos.
When you close this, you can definitely see the backlit over here, and I love that. It's a little vibey. TV. Good heavens, it's not a TV, it is a refrigerator. We have a refrigerator that is a residential size refrigerator.
It is 12 volt, so not 110.
Yes, and you can probably run some solar on top and have the
Which is kind of nice.
running.
Lots of the goodies.
Storage up there for maybe documents, I don't know, something small, right? Or even plates. Going into the kitchen, we have a very wide kitchen, right? So usually you'll have like a little tiny kitchen to work from, but they're giving you so much space. It's like an L-shaped kitchen here.
Where do you begin? Let's start with this part.
The sink is facing the outdoors. So that means when the patio is down, you can see what's going on outside. And I love it. We have a screen that pulls down for mosquitoes. There we go. Or we can black it out. Oh. So, or you can even open it for
a nice breeze.
For that breeze to come in. Oh, love it. Nice matte finishings on the hardware. We have a farmhouse sink. You can put your cleaning supplies in there. Spice rack. Are you kidding me?
That's a metal spice rack.
Yes.
In case you're into heavy duty spices.
Heavy duty spices.
Heavy duty spices in their own.
We have some storage here. These are more shallow.
Yeah, look at that.
Because we are also sharing some space with the outdoor.
Oh, there's a whole secret over there too.
Yes,
guys.
there's a secret.
Ooh, what's that, you might wonder?
So this is gonna be your outdoor grill.
Wait, you're not supposed to tell them.
Oh, sorry. It's not an outdoor grill.
That is just a metal storage thing that you can access right here. Look at that. What if you wanted to put something in there? Ooh, but I want it to go outside too.
It's not a metal grill. I don't know what you're talking about. Nice, large. I might need a step stool to access the top, but we have plenty of space here, and you can put a crock pot up here.
She's not wearing 10-inch heels right now, so.
I'm not. This one's a little bit more shallow because you have space here to share with the TV and what you do. Yes,
what do you mean,
televator. Let me show you.
Way.
This televator comes down, and now you can watch TV from outdoor.
What?
Yep.
Alliance, why do you make us so happy?
Isn't this so cool? Bam! And of course, we have another storage compartment here as well as over there, and that is also accessed through the other side. Love this kitchen. All right, we're gonna go check out the outside now. Welcome to my patio. I wish this was my patio. This is so cool. Put a couple of chairs out here. You can even put some bar stools. Look at this. You can even have a meal or even have a conversation with the people that are in the kitchen on the other side.
So this thing actually goes up and it leaves a little bit of because this is glass.
Yes.
When it closes up, a lot of side patios completely close the entire wall. There is no visible light. Here, part of it actually
you're gonna
can
see
go through.
Yes.
So you actually have light, which is really cool.
Yes, hence this glass patio right here. This works out so beautifully.
Check out that grill. Oh, look at there's that.
We have a grill.
We need to access right there.
Look at that. Isn't this so cool, you guys? So this is gonna be your outdoor kitchen. Beautiful. I've never actually seen anything like this. A grill with like counter space like this that pulls out. And then you have your drawers here to put all of your cooking utensils, your spatulas, things of that sort. And then once you're done, you just stow it away. And that is it. You just kind of gently push it in there. How easy is that? Now you do have a refrigerator here to put cold drinks, ice cold drinks in there. You have your JBL speakers and your control for the volume.
Speakers are up here.
Yep, speaker is up here.
And then you have this giant awning that, so if it is raining, you can actually just grill outside here.
You could totally do that.
I love grilling in the rain. It's my favorite thing to do.
Moving on to the other side of the kitchen. We have nice solid surfaces here on either side of this 4-burner stove top. Full-size oven. You can put a full-size turkey in there if you want to.
Full-size turkey, guys. A lot of places, they have smaller ones or they even have just 3-burner stove.
Yeah, you're getting 4.
It's almost chef's kitchen-like.
It really is. It really is. And so you have a window here, which I absolutely love because you need that natural light coming in.
You guys might not think this, but a lot of places don't even have windows, right?
The fact that they're giving you these windows, they love the natural light. So we have storage, a microwave, and then storage on this side. So you can put your plates, your cups, drawers over here. Look at that. They are giving you utensils to put a place to put your utensils, and you can even slide that out and hide your remote or other things. You could even make that into a junk drawer, have all your things in there, as well as over here. Moving on to the dining area here, we have a table. Look at this beautiful large window. You can have a nice dinner here, or you can even work from here.
They do have these cool little textured seats.
Yeah, they're fun.
Yeah, they look very soft. Are they comfy? They look comfy.
Let me try. I will tell you. Feels like you're sitting on a cloud, like a squishy cloud. Come sit.
All right, guys. Just picture you're the one sitting down right now.
Okay. We're having
you're
fun.
You're testing it out. There you go. There you go.
It's firm.
Comment
it's a firm cloud.
Comment if you guys liked how that felt.
Now, we're gonna move here to continue on the fun of the kitchen. We have this bar top. You can put your stools up here and continue on with the conversations. You can even see the people outside on the patio. So you can have this, like, just a bunch of people. Basically, you could have people here, there, everywhere, right?
And this is the Alliance color schematics. This is what they're doing everywhere now. It's very, very popular.
When you go into an Alliance, you will see the color schematics and you will immediately know, oh, that's an Alliance. So I love that they're doing a cohesiveness with all of their RVs. We have a couple of recliners here, windows all around. They even have these white shades. They're blackout white shades.
Oh, that's cool.
Isn't that so cool?
I actually like that better.
That's
I don't like
so
the black.
pretty.
Black was discoloring. Just kind of, that's so much nicer.
I love that. Put your pillows and throws up here to get nice and comfy during a movie. This turns into a bed. Now, if you're a couple living in this RV, you can have friends and family come on over and you can have them stay here. All right, does this move up? Yes, it does.
Oh my, and that's deep.
Wow, you can put a lot of books in there. A lot of magazines, books, what have you. All right, we have our USB ports and our outlets on either side. Look at these little sconces right here. They're mid-century feel to it. I'm not gonna open up all of the way because the fan is on, but we have storage there as well as over here. Backlit wall to put decorations and make this more homey.
Add some cool little books and plants up there.
Oh, we didn't cover those, but we'll get there in a second.
Jeez, there's so much, guys. This thing is brand new.
I have one more surprise for you. You ready? It's not this TV and JBL and pull-out storage.
That's a big TV, by the way.
It is not that. And it's not this fireplace, but I'm gonna show you guys what's behind.
I'm so excited. You guys can't even tell.
Are you kidding me?
Oh my, see, that's where I play hide and go seek.
This is the money right here. Shelves for days. We have an LED strip light that goes, and as well as shelves on this side as well.
In case you needed more spices to put around.
If you have so many spices, that might be a problem. And now we're gonna cover this last spot right here. I love to see more storage. That makes me so happy.
Storage that you can reach from both ends.
Yeah. If you need access from here,
yeah, you're
or
sitting on the couch, need a quick snack.
Okay, so we're gonna check out the exterior. So what do you guys think? Isn't this so cool? It just feels different. It doesn't feel like a regular RV. Now, typically we go over specs, but this is so brand spanking new that I'm gonna just show you all the stuff.
This thing is, you have to buy it. Then you'll see all the specs.
You have to buy it and then find out the specs. Yes. No, we have this storage space. This is huge. This is massive. Propane tank over here.
There we go. We got propane tanks.
If you've never seen a propane tank, that's what it looks like.
That is exactly what one looks like.
Look at this hitch.
It's orange. Isn't that cool?
That's a big shock.
In case you like the color orange, it's there for you. Oh, look at that. 3 sets of storage. Sometimes you just get one big one.
We have storage number 1, up here. Easy access. I love that you don't have to bend over. You know, sometimes you're just bending over way too much and you're like, oh, you know, it's painful.
Some of us are old. You guys know what that's like.
And then
That's cool.
look at that. Look at that
Storage
space right here.
separation. I'm here for it.
Compartments for days. And another one right there for your batteries. Oop, almost flew away. All right, coming on over to this side. We have this slide right here. We have another propane tank in there. This is the access to the other side of the storage.
Oh, look at that. It's open in case you guys want to see all the magic. We're at the factory here, so they do a great job building these things. And look at that. You don't even have to touch and pull anything. You just click a button and it releases your gray, black tanks. That is nifty. I'm not a big fan of touching things, so buttons are great.
Buttons are great. All right. Slide number 2 on the side. Notice the coloration. It's gray, it's white, the lines, very sleek. Check out the rear of this Alliance. We have a hitch here.
This is great.
This is beautiful.
Bikes. You can also probably pull a small little boat if it's allowed in your state to triple tow. It's up to 3,000 pounds, a little bit more.
And then we have another slide on this side.
Dang, guys, up. And look, the Alliance logo right behind there. That should be the screenshot. That's great.
This should be the main character right here. This right here is the money.
I think
we have a beautiful glass patio and it's not see-through, which I absolutely appreciate.
You don't want to be this side.
You don't want to be sitting on your patio and people see through it, you know, like this is genius. The fact that it's tinted.
Well, I usually sit with no pants, so that's great.
No comment.
That's my RV. What am I? I want freedom.
Isn't this cool?
It's a really cool RV.
I am absolutely loving this RV. I love the patio. I love the color schematics. And the coolest thing of all is that if you buy this at Blue Compass, you get these amazing perks. Buying any RV from Blue Compass gets you the RV Complete VIP membership, which includes unlimited towing, windshield repair, and your very own RV tech, as well as other amazing benefits, and exclusive Loves discounts. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching and sticking around to the end and checking out this brand spanking new Alliance. I am in love. This patio is on point. And let me know in the comments what you guys think. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.